Hi guys, welcome to my first ever training footage. What you're gonna see for the first 5 minutes or so is just me doing some overhead presses and some deadlifts. Now, I'm really excited to share with you guys a little bit about weightlifting because it's not only an awesome way to move your body and like start, healing eczema through this sport, but it's also given me a whole host of other benefits that I will share with you in this video. Now, first and foremost, if anything about about lifting weights interests you, I would just invest in the book Starting Strength by Mark Rippetoe. It's got the 4 basic barbell weightlifting techniques so that you can get your technique down and you don't hurt yourself and you can get stronger. That's the only thing I recommend. Now, there are 4 main exercises. There's the overhead press, there's the deadlift, which stops from the floor, there's the squat, as many of you know, and of course the bench press. I'm doing the 2 lesser common ones today. All of these are compound lifts. They work your whole body, they make you nice and sore, they build muscle, they build character. There's just nothing to complain about this sport. It's just downright the most fun, awesome thing that I have done since kickboxing. Now, let me share with you why it's so much fun just to pick weight up and put it down. When I first started lifting weights, it was complicated, but then starting strength, it simplified it. These compound exercises are moving multiple parts of the body. They're building all different muscle at the same time, and it's only 4 exercises. And basically you're getting stronger week after week. You could see your progression. It's just all around such an exciting and fun sport. Now, besides it being physically fun and you're watching your progress, you're getting stronger, because weightlifting is an anabolic sport and not catabolic like lots of aerobic exercises like biking, running, swimming, all these cardio things. Anabolic exercises are short bursts of strength requiring movements, things like sprinting, lifting weights, shot put. And what that means is that you put on some muscle, you get toned, you get muscular, you look awesome. Now, because of that, you can afford to, you can afford to eat a little more oatmeal, a little more brown rice, a little more sweet potatoes, because all of that is going to be converted into 2 things, fat and muscle. And that muscle is just going to grow bigger, you're going to grow stronger, and in my opinion, it just feels a lot better to worry less about how many calories I'm eating and worry more about getting stronger, getting fitter, getting healthier. I'm not looking to get fat or super muscled or gain a lot of weight. I'm just looking to have a healthy relationship with food, with fitness, with exercise, and to me, that's what weightlifting represents. That's how I can achieve that physically and mentally. Now, here in deadlifts, this is my favorite exercise. This one besides squatting. I do deadlifts about 2 times a week, if not 3 times a week. Squatting, same, I do about 3 times a week. The press that you saw earlier, twice a week, and the bench, twice a week. I'm just in the gym approximately an hour each session. I don't go crazy. Some sessions I don't even sweat. It's mostly about getting the technique down, doing the required number of reps I set out for myself, focusing on finishing, the weights I set up for the day, and yeah, that's about it. It makes it so much more manageable. It's like little bite-sized chunks of exercise, and it's fun. It's freaking fun. It's so awesome. So I recommend weightlifting to anybody looking to get some of those benefits I told you guys about. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the footage. The rest is just going to be me making oatmeal after the gym. And I love to do the gym before eating because then I can have an even bigger bowl of oatmeal, and honestly, oatmeal is my favorite food. So now I got into the habit of going to the gym in the morning. One of my favorite YouTubers said, If you feel awesome after going to the gym, why would you do it the last thing of the day? You want to feel awesome first thing in the morning. So even if that means waking up at 5 a.m., which I've done before, it's 99% of the time it's worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that and enjoy the rest of the video, oatmeal making. So here's my go-to oatmeal recipe. You guys have seen the previous one that I made. It was a little bit more in depth. This one's just a quick run through. I make oatmeal every single day. I do it the same way. 1 rice cooker cup of oats, 2 cups of water. I put it in the pot, I put the lid on it, put it on high, it starts to boil, I mix it, and I turn off the heat. I get the same oatmeal every single day. Consistency is key. The only thing I really change up with the oatmeal is basically the fruits I put on top. I try to put berries on it every single day, but today I felt like, hey, let's just do mangoes and bananas. That's nice tropical flavor, so let's just do that instead. I'll save the berries for something else the next day. These bananas are extra awesome. These are from the Asian market. They're these little Thai bananas, or Hawaiian. They're called apple bananas. They're a little bit different flavor. They have a bit of a different flavor than the regular one, 10 times better in my opinion. Now, what's the whole point of this video is to show you that a healthy lifestyle can be freaking awesome. Like, I absolutely love making oatmeal. I love going to the gym. And some people would see this as this is something very difficult or energy consuming or just daunting, like eating healthy, exercising, preparing your own food. It's effortless for me because I enjoy it so much. And I get so many rewards from it. Like, you know, it tastes good, it feels good, it excites me, it gives me mental satisfaction, it builds my self-confidence, it builds my self-image. I don't worry about how I look, I don't worry about how I feel, because I know that I'm putting the best into my body every day and I'm doing the best by my body every single day. And to me, that gives me peace of mind. And I can have a peaceful, happy, low stress life knowing I invest in these little things every single day. And to me, it's 100% worth it. Some people might not have the time to cook 3 meals a day. Some people might not have the time to go to the gym 5 times a week. In my opinion, I modified my lifestyle so I can afford to do that. Money, you can always make money. There's a million ways to make money. There's a million ways to enjoy friends and family. But there's really only one way to exercise and eat well, and that's making it yourself and making the time to exercise. So that's my priority in life. When it comes to toppings on the oatmeal, honestly, it's whatever I have in the cupboard, you guys. You might think that I think about food 24/7, which is partially true, but at the same time, once I'm done eating, I forget about it. I move on with my life. I do other things. You know, the eczema compared to this whole preparing and eating food, eczema took up 95% of my thoughts. Now that I'm eating to keep eczema away, just because I cook a lot and I shop for food a lot, it consumes like 15% of my thoughts. So one outweighs the other. In my opinion, you know, preparing your food, buying it, doing all of this stuff so that I can stay eczema free is 100% worth it, because I save myself time and energy worrying about eczema if I just prepared the foods that keep it away. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.